Welcome to this channel. I Assistant Professor Sumaya Tamboli is going to clear your concept based on tables in HTML. Using HTML tables, you can use the table container to display information in the table format. Okay? You can use the table container to control the layout of a page. It defines the beginning and end of a table. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag, which indicates beginning and end of a table. The attributes those can be taken with this table tag are background, BG color, border, cell spacing, cell padding, width and height. Okay. Next, the TR container. It defines a table row. Okay. This TR element defines a table row. Structural tag only. It is not going to contain any content. The attributes are align, BG color. Okay. So basically this tag or this element or this container is used to define a table row. Right. Next. TD element or container, it defines a data cell in a table. It can contain any content including another nested table. Attributes which can come with this TD tag are align, V-align, height, background, BG color, width, call span and row span. Okay. Next. Here you can see TD call span example. Okay. See here, you are merging two columns over here. Right. You are merging two columns of your first row. Right. Then how you are going to do this? You are going to do in this format. You can see TD call span is equals to 2. Right. TD call span is equals to 2 and BG color is what? Blue. Right? This is the example. You can see this. We are merging two columns of the first row. We are merging two columns of the first row. That's why here we are taking it as call span. Right? If you want 3, then we are going to write call span is equals to 3. Is it clear to everyone? Now next, TD row span example. So here you can see this is what TD row span is equals to 2. If you want to merge two rows, okay, if you want to merge two rows of this column, then you are going to do it using row span, right? TD, right? TD row span is equals to 2, BG color is equals to blue, right? Next, TH container or TH element, it defines a header say acts just like a TD container, except the text is normally centered vertically and horizontally, and the text is bold. Okay. Attributes are same as TD. Right. This is the example. You can see TH example. So here in TR you are writing what? TH container. This is nothing but the heading of the column. You can see here, this is the heading over here, table, header and row. Right? These are what the heading, and this can be implemented using TH element or tag. Right? Next, caption. The caption tag defines a table caption. This can appear above or below the table using the align attribute. So here you can see attribute for this table, attribute for this element caption is align, right? And the value for this is what? Left, right, top, bottom. Description is this attribute defines the alignment of a caption. Okay? टेबल के ऊपर जो टेबल का हेडिंग हम लोग देते हैं, that is nothing but the caption, right? The example here is caption align is equals to bottom, figure 1, modify trait and the closing tag of caption. Okay. Now we are going to see this entire tag practically. Okay. practical example we are going to see now. So here you can see this is the example of the tables in HTML, right? As I said that for creating a table, we need a opening tag of table. This is how we are going to make use of it, right? Table, we are applying border, okay? Border of that table, okay? This is cell spacing and this is cell padding, right? This is cell spacing and this is cell padding. For what these two attributes are used over here? Cell spacing is going to define the width of the border, okay? And cell padding represents the distance between cell border and the content within it, okay? So what cell spacing is going to do? It is going to define the width of the border, right? And here cell padding is going to represent the distance between cell border and the content within it, right? You can see this when I execute the file, right? This is the caption which is given to your table and it is just below the table. As I have given, the alignment is equals to bottom. Align attribute and the value for this attribute is bottom, right? Next, for first row, this is my first row, right? TR is indicating what? Row, right? And in this I'm taking TH elements, right? TH elements, right? That means what? In first row, these are the three headings, okay? Here I have taken row span is equals to 2, BG color is equals to red, and in this I'm going to write company, right? Next is contact and third is what? Country. End of the first row. This is end of the first row, right? Next is what? TR. I have just given this blank, right? You can see nothing is there, just I have taken dash over here, right? Since I have taken here row span. That's why here in the second row, for second column and third column, I haven't specified any value, just have put dash, right? This is the third row, okay? Opening tag of the third row and closing tag of the third row, right? Similarly, this is my fourth row, okay? This is my fourth row, starting tag of TR and end tag of TR, opening tag and closing tag. This is what will come under my fourth row, right? And this end of the HTML file, right? Table tag need to be closed properly, body tag need to be closed properly, and HTML tag must be closed properly. Let's execute this file and see what happens to this, okay? So here you can see after the execution of file, right? This is how your table is coming. Caption is coming below the table. Since I have given the align is equals to bottom. Here you can see align is equals to bottom, right? So here, this is how the about us is coming right over here. Next, this is the first row. You can see company. I have taken the row span. 2 rows I have span over here. That's why it is occupying the space of 2. Right? Then BG color I have applied red. Right? Next heading is what? Contact, and the next heading is what? Country. So this is coming under the first row, right? These two headings are coming under the first row. This company has taken 2 rows, right? That's why I have kept this row as blank. Just have put the dash over here. And I said you what? Cell spacing and cell padding, right? Cell spacing is going to define the border of your cell. So here you can see the difference. Here you can see the gap between company and contact, right? You can see the gap between contact and country, right? So this is what the cell spacing. And what is cell padding? See here, this contact and the border of this cell is nothing but the cell padding, okay? Contact and the border of this cell, this is what the cell padding. This is how your table will be seen, right? Any doubt, any question if you have, you can feel free to ask me the question in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have liked my video, understood the concept, then do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.